Do you wish to learn for which diseases you are most susceptible? Are you interested in your potential and talents? Do you wish to learn how you would react to certain medications? Are you interested in the origin of your ancestors? All this and much more is written in your genes. The vision of the Gene Planet Company is to offer its users personal genetic analyses with information that will help them change their lifestyle accordingly and take measures which will provide additional protection from health risks due to genetic predispositions. Our group of experts will prepare a personal genetic analysis which will reveal your characteristics and potential which are genetically predetermined. The procedure is very simple. You post your order at the online portal www.geneplanet.com, and in a few days you will receive a spit collector in the mail. You deposit a sample into the collector and send it to our lab with the enclosed registered item. In 30 days, we will complete your DNA analysis. After the analysis is completed, your personal genetic reports will be accessible only to you at the appropriately secured personal portal. Later, your report will be supplemented with new information and analyses. During the service procedure, we follow the basic principles of 1. Quality of service, 2. Expertise of service, and 3. Protection of personal data. When the personal analysis is completed, you can access your data through your personal portal and begin exploring your genetic characteristics. Personal genetic analysis will disclose for which diseases you have the most predispositions. For individual diseases like breast cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and many others, you will learn what the risk of contracting this disease is on the basis of your genes. You will learn important information about numerous diseases and learn about preventive measures to lower the risk of contracting them in the future. Differences in genes also influence the reaction of your body to certain medications. With the personal DNA analysis, you will learn what kind of effects you can expect from medications such as antidepressants, pressure medications, medications for increased fats, and others. In addition to taking care of your health, you can also explore your talents and get to know your specialties. Most of your talents you surely know. With an in-depth research, you will perhaps discover a new or hidden talent or characteristic which is written in your genes, such as, for example, if your muscle design is more fit for sprinters or for long-distance runners, whether you are inclined towards an addiction to nicotine, or whether you can lose weight while consuming fatty foods, and many other characteristics. Your genetic code hides an interesting story about your ancestors. Your DNA analysis will disclose from which areas your ancestors came from and from which geographical area on Earth. Therefore, you will learn whether you're more similar to the French, the Basque, the Tuscans, and how similar you are to populations from other continents like the Pygmies, Maya, Malaysians, and many others. If you want to discover your genetic code, live a healthy lifestyle, and live according to your genetic potential, take advantage of the option of your personal Gene Planet gene analysis. For further information, visit our website at www.geneplanet.com and try the free demo. Know your DNA, know yourself.